Hello and welcome back to our Git Essentials course. In this video we want to learn how we can integrate one branch into another branch. So if you're not familiar with creating branches, please check out the previous video. So you can imagine that you have certain branches in your project that you want to build on your CI server, and then you want to ship the result to your customer. So you have something called stable branches, but somehow you need also the possibility to integrate your new created features that you build in other branches into your main branch. That can be your master branch, but you're totally free maybe to create release branches or something like this. Or maybe you have some hotfixes where you refine or fix bugs, and then you want to integrate them back into your main or release branches as well. And therefore we need to integrate one branch into another branch. Git provides two instruments to do this, and in this course, in this lesson, we will learn about the first instrument, and this is a merge command. And therefore I have the repository we have worked with before already open, and before we start I want to check the current state of our repository, and I will do this by typing our git log command we are already familiar with, and I also pass the --all parameter to see everything of my log as well. And here you can see that we are currently on the branch master, and that branch master is not synchronized with branch A. In branch A we did some updates for the a.txt file, and now you may want that master gets updated to the status of branch A. And you can simply do this by using the git merge command. And after this you only have to pass the target branch you want to merge in. And this is in this case branch A. And you see, this was quite a very simple thing, okay? We just see a little statistic here that something has been added to the a.txt file, so the plus signs indicate that there were some insertions in the file. And we also see that this was a fast forward merge. And the fast forward merge is really the simplest way to merge a branch, because you can see this also here in the log. Branch A and master, they are totally in line. They have no diverged, there is no diverged situation. And to integrate the master branch into branch A, we simply need to move the pointer of master to the pointer of branch A. And this is called a fast forward merge. You do not need to take care about any conflicts, because since the master branch is the parent commit of branch A, of the commit from branch A, we do not have to worry about any conflicts here. Just to get this in mind, I want to repeat this procedure with branch C, and therefore I want to check out branch C and merge this also back into master. But before I do this, I will just show you the git log one more time. You now see after the merge, branch A and master are totally in sync. Now I check out branch C, and I did not mention it before. If you install Git for Windows, you have something called auto-completion for your shell out of the box. So if you type git checkout and then run tab, then you will see a list with all available branches you can check out, as well as the head and the ORIG head, if you like. And this is a cool help if you do not know how the branch was named before, and it also saves you a little bit time, because if you type just br and hit tab, it automatically completes to branch to you, and then you just have to type C, because the terminal doesn't know if you want to switch to branch A or branch C in this case. So now, since I have switched to branch C, And I just give you the log one more time to see what's happened. We just moved the head pointer to branch C. And now I do quite the same as before. I say git merge, and now I just type git merge into master. Doing this is slightly the same console output. We see that there was a change in the a.txt file. There were some insertions to it. And if we compare the commit of branch C with the commit of the branch master, also lots of files have been added as well, and that's why the statistic output here, or the statistical output here, is a little bit larger than just merging master into branch A. So finally, the result looks like this. Branch A, branch C, and the master branch are totally in sync. And this is the most easiest way how you can merge branches into each other. Of course, there are more difficult ways or situations we have to take care of. That's why please visit or please watch the next video. Then we will handle conflicts in Git. By the way, if you still have any question about the video, or if you have any further question, please do not hesitate to ask me and leave me a comment below. Thank you.